Welcome to our comprehensive research-backed guide for parents and support team of teenage learner drivers. You told us loud and clear, and the research agrees. We need to provide you with all the necessary supports to make the journey achieve the outcome we all want, a safe driver. The evidence shows you can and should expect your teen to drive safety when using Idrivesafety 5-star education program. Idrivesafety will provide you with a process for every road user interaction that is managed and fully supported by Idrivesafety 5-star award-winning driving coaches. Using our curriculum, all delivered as part of a graduated education system. Let us help you with 100% supported driver education. Call or email us, and let Idrivesafety get them home safely.
The first step is to call 1-800-956-999 or email admin at idrivesafety.com.au. We will discuss your wants and allocate a driving coach tailored to your personal needs. Our accredited driving coaches will deliver the curriculum in a graduated education system over 30 sessions. Commencing with the first 5 sessions, where we will set up the foundations of driving, steering methods, road rules, continuous partial assessment along with low-speed maneuvers, position on road, a process for lane change, roundabouts, gap selection, traffic lights, and managing other road users. Learning the 5 base road rules with real and e-learning, managing position on road. This foundational knowledge will help you feel more competent enhancing safety for your teen, even when others are not. Next, using our copyrighted, structured training program with a curriculum that includes both e-learning and comprehensive process-driven driving lessons. Developing the driving dynamic mentally and physically, gradually progressing from level 1 to 3 as your teen's competencies develop. Learning a safe, manageable process for every road user interaction, including when other road users don't do what's safe. It's imperative the education delivery is tailored to your learning style. Anxiety and risk-taking are a learning style, not a disabler. Your safety is founded in what you have learned. Humans do not self-teach what we were never taught, and driving the unknown is a crash causality waiting for an opportunity. Idrivesafety have since 2007 provided comprehensive support needed for you and your teens to practice each process in between the driver education sessions. Just because you can drive does not mean you should teach or make you automatically qualified to teach the 892 competency-based units that enable the curriculum to train safe road user interactions. Getting from A to B is a continuous choice. Please choose life. Seatbelts save lives and reduce injuries. So wear it, choose a safe speed, distractions are everywhere. Manage your attention. Continuous partial attention, CPA, is a learnt life-saving process. I cannot avoid what I cannot see or interpret. Consider enrolling your teen in our graduated education program that has a research-backed curriculum. We do not use instructional training, it is telling, not teaching. Idrivesafety videos are real, not simulation, as it is another word for fake. The brain does not transfer gaming theory to real driving. Defensive driving in parks and circuits is not backed by research either. These courses offer instructional old-school tips and tricks. Idrivesafety offer a process-driven curriculum, transferring learning to learned whilst creating a self-managing road user who also manages other road users' faults, even while still learning. Practice regularly to automate each process. Our coaches will provide what, where, and how, practice for each road user interaction, gradually increasing competencies and progressing through the 5-star curriculum. This standardized education system will help your teen become a safe driver who actively manages risk, avoiding crashes even when it's not their fault. Injuries do not care who is at fault. Finally, remember that learning to drive is a journey fully covered in the curriculum. The outcome remains the same. Idrivesafety, only the training methodology changes. Everyone thinks everyone else learns faster than them. The truth is, we all take about the same time when the delivery methodology and curriculum are effective. With your support, the 5-star curriculum, and our coaching team, your teen will drive safety even when others don't. Idrivesafety, so you can.